We wear our cloak of remembrance, silk and wool, highlighted with golden sunrise. The sun sets in our eyes, moon rises in our wombs, worlds told through our words. So when an unknowing other tries to bring this down, throws daggers into open heart, through words turns truth to the absurd, makes minuscule our infinite minds enough. We have carried the stars upon our backs, babies in our bellies, stories through time, older than the shapes of the oceans, beyond crumbling and changing continents, wrapped in woven cloth around our form. We have held civilization from cradle to deathbed, soothing and humming, feeding and cleaning, teaching, cooling fevered foreheads and chasing off lions with fiery brands. And for a moment, we chose silence. Not because we were beaten down, but because it kept our seeds alive. When bowing our heads became the greatest trick of war, we do this for us, with our breathing children as proof, and left others to play out civilized disaster, where tensions rise, expressed by steel and fists slamming into unprotected flesh, annihilating all that share our space, frustrated cries, tantrums, unrealized potentials, burning rivers, carnage. Aren't we too old for these games? We watch from ancient silence. One by one, lips on tongue, form these words. Our will be heard. One by one, we raise our heads bowed, not in shame, but at least the fire behind our eyes is recognized. We, beloved woman warriors strong, step forth, not to save the world, not to rescue slime from the bowels of some overfed beast. Step over mud and puddles to verdant pastures, fertile minds teeming with life. Reach to join hands, hand upon hand. Stand in recognition of all those songs sung in rain showers, all those hot, full tears, for all those lonely thoughts and 1,000 deaths in the night. Our soul sees in witness. As no honorary other, wishing not to pass constrictions of normalcy, I acknowledge the line of our mothers, guardians of humanity. Stand between sea and sky, feet on deep earth, head freed on wind, sun-kissed skin, moon-blessed within. Look, I am nothing. Now look again. Beloved woman warriors, we ourselves will stand in circle of connection, eye to eye, hand in hand. Knowledge that we carry seeds the future, so ignite our sight. Wise one, bloom bright, in light of love we know.